right, today we have 4 supersets, but all we need is a wall to do it. How cool is that? So exciting. You know it's Friday, I like to switch it up, make it kind of fun. Okay, so we have 4 sets, and you know how many we're gonna do. We're gonna do 20 of one move, and then 10 each arm or leg the other move. All right, starts with a push-up. Okay, the more angled you are on this push-up, the harder it is. So, step it in if you're just beginning, okay? Take it a little further out if you're not. Okay, 20 push-ups. Now, so you do 20 push-ups, and then I want 10 push-ups with a leg lift. Each leg, okay? Woo! Yeah. All right. Then, wall sit. I want you to do 20 calf raises while you're sitting, okay? Just 20. Modification, don't calf raise, just sit here, count to 20. All right, 20 calf raises, then I want 10 each leg, and I don't want you to release it. 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna switch legs. 1, up to 10, okay? And also, don't go so low if you need to. Bring it up, okay? And kick it. Okay, that's a modification for you. All right, that's 2 sets. Push-ups, push-ups with a leg lift. Wall sit with calf raise 20 times, and then kick, 10 kicks each leg. Next, wall bridges. This is gonna blow your mind. Take this to a regular bridge if you're just starting out. It's fine, it's still hard and evil, okay? Wall bridges, let's go. Right here. Get close, get your booty close. Right here. 2, okay? And what I want you to do for the 10 is single leg. 1, 2, 3. Other side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Awesome. Okay, last one, skull crusher. Okay, I want you to think diamond push-up. We're getting those triceps in there. Remember, the more angled you are, the harder it is. So get your hands right and take it in. 1, 2. You're going for 20. All right? And then the good old tricep push-up. Again, the angle is what matters. Step it into the wall if you're just beginning, okay? Right here. Give yourself a hug, okay? And push yourself up 10 times. Take the angle out to make it harder. There you go. You got it. And then switch it. Right here. Okay, good. You did it. That is your Friday workout. I hope you love it.